Funko Fam, back with another one. Got an AOK from the fridge, so let's go. As I was just saying, got an AOK from the Funko Fridge. I'll leave his details in the description below. Go and check him out. Very nice channel. Very cool content. As of today, the recording day, last night, he just won WA Made Film Festival. Viewer's Choice. So, I know this is going up a little bit later, but I'd like to congratulate the fridge on that. He sent me the little snippet, and oh, I am hooked. Very good short film, very intriguing, very up the horror alley that I'm into. But yes, so Funko Fridge, congratulations, mate. So happy for you. But without further ado, this isn't AOK. He had a video months and months ago. This has gone around the country thanks to Australia Post. He got was lost 3 times, according to the Australia Post. But other than that, he had a video, I think it was early January, late December. Yeah, it'd be January, December, that he had he done a mystery box with a few pops. He didn't fit his collection, wasn't too crash hot on. So I sent him a message in his IG and said, I'd be very happy to take them off your hands. Just name your price. And he was very nice. I said, look, I'll just send them to you. I'd like to help a collector out. So, personally thank you, Funko Fridge, for that. Very nice gesture. So, we'll get into it. Very well packed. Very, very well packed. This is Eddie, one of the children from It. Well, I say children, he's pretty sure, I'm not mistaken, they're teens by the new remake. Then we got this. I was able to get this for because of the new craze. We're thinking about going down that whole Pokemon rabbit hole. Oh wow. So Batman Earth. Vision 50s. Still chasing the chase of this one. We've got every pop that's come out. We've got Harkness on the way. That was released a couple of days ago as of recording. And waiting for that white vision glow. That's going to be nice. They even brought out the soda, which I've got a couple on the way. We've got H2O, Michael Myers, 831 in the television line. And last one. One of my favorite actors, directors. Can't wait for he's bringing out the new Motu. Can't wait to see what kind of, is it Motu or Thundercats? Upon further research, it's the Motu. He's bringing out Motu, Revelations on Netflix, but Kevin Smith or Silent Bob from Jay and Silent Bob's, but Kevin Smith, one of my favorite actors, producers, writers. If you have not seen a series called Comic Book Man, go and check it out. Sorry, camera cut out when I was recording. I can't remember where I was up to, but this is an AOK from the Funko Fridge. I'll leave his details down in the description. Go and give him a follow, a subscribe. Very nice channel with very cool content. And again, a little late, but congratulations on the film festival win. Well deserved. Very cool short you sent me. But unfortunately, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you've always got me in the back pocket. Until next time, Funko Fam. Peace.